Hello to all students. Today I will cover the topic that is our marketing concepts. First, I just want to define the objectives of this topic. After studying this topic, you will be able to define needs, wants, and demands. Then next is what is a product, what is a value and satisfaction, exchange, transactions, and relationship, marketing in a connected world. Okay, then come to the another slide, that is a needs, wants, and demands. Most basic concepts underlying marketing is that of a human needs. As a human need, you have a also need. Everybody has a need, and needs can be physical need, it can be a spiritual need, and so on. This, there is a different category of needs. Wants are the form taken by needs as they are shaped by the culture and personality. Wants influenced by both external and internal needs. Wants are objects that will satisfy needs. If as a layman language I say that what is need, need can be any type. Your hunger is need. Your thirst is need. Your cloth is need. This is such a different kind of needs. And according to your need and requirement, the marketer will create the product. They will generate the product, and after generating the product, they will place those particular product in market. And if there is need, then market definitely will be there. Then wants. Wants can be a different type. Like if you have a thirst, it is such kind of need. Then definitely your want can be different. You want Bisleri water, you want fruit juice, or you want soft drink. And according to your need, you have a number of choices, and according to your ability, you can buy that particular product. So this is the main difference between need and want. But needs and wants are the complementary to each other. And come to the next point, that is a demand. Wants buying power become demand. Like we have explained, the thirst is a need and wants is a Bisleri water, soft drink, normal water, a fruit juice. According to your buying power, according to your ability, you will buy the product. You will fulfill your need. What is ability? What ability you have? So this terms generates the demands. Then products. If there is need, there is demand, there is want, then definitely there is a product. This is the very interesting relation between markets, how the products has been generated in the market. Today's scenario has been totally changed. So product can be virtual as well as physical. A product is anything that can be offered to a market to satisfy a need. Like you have a number of choices to fulfill your hunger need. Fast food, South Indian foods, Chinese foods, Indian foods, Punjabi foods, veg, non-veg, according to your need. The marketer has been placed the products, they have created the product, they have generated the product in a market. So a product is anything that can be offered to a market to satisfy a need. Like why the Flipkart introduced? Because everybody wants, whole world should be on their desktop. They don't want to go the market to search the products. So Flipkart facilitate that you can buy the product with the help of your desktop, your laptop, such a kind of digital devices. Okay, so this was the basically need which has been fulfilled by the Flipkart, that is a e-commerce portal. So according to the customer and consumer needs, we are just generating the products, we are just generating the IT infrastructure, we are just placing the products. Okay, so next, that is a value and satisfaction. Definitely, if you have a need, like I have given you the example of thirst. So you have a thirst, so you have a different wants. And if you have a different wants, then definitely Bisleri has a value of rupees 20. Fruit juice has value of 50 rupees. And soft drink has value of 10 rupees or 20 or 30. And according to your potential, your ability, you will buy the product. So customer value satisfying their needs. A customer will estimate their capacity of each product satisfy his or her need. Every customer has a dream, or they want that the products satisfying their need, customer value satisfying the product should be like that, they have zero value. But in a real world, it is not possible. So if you have a product, then definitely value and satisfaction in monetary term. Okay, then exchange, transaction and relationships. In market, if there is need, there is want, there is demand, then always transaction happens. How? Like you have a need of thirst, you just buy Bisleri water, you paid 20 rupees to the shopkeeper and you buy the Bisleri water. So this is, you have fulfilled your need with the help of this particular product. So this is a product, okay, because it fulfill your need. Its value is 20 rupees. And what transaction has been happened? That is a physical transaction. They are giving you a water and you are giving the money. So you are exchanging something. Transaction can be physical, it can be a virtual. Marketing occurs when people decide to satisfy needs and wants through exchange, because we just want to fulfill my hunger with South Indian foods. So I have to go the South Indian shop, and according to their value I have to be pay and I have to be satisfied. I can satisfy my need. Exchange is the act of obtaining a desired object from someone by offering something in return. Like we are offering in rupees, in foreign US country they are offering the dollars, and what this is trade off. What is going on? Okay, Transaction is a marketing unit of measurement, which I have explained. Markets. The concepts of transaction leads to the concepts of a market. Like, where is, if you are giving the services, you are charging something. Either you are giving the physical service, either you are giving the virtual service. So transaction is happening. If transaction is happening, then definitely market is there. A market is the set of actual and potential buyer of a product. Like Flipkart, potential buyers are those buyers who are in metropolitan city and they have the busiest schedule. In a remote area, you cannot get the facility of Flipkart. I'm talking about the Indian market. So, their potential customers, potential buyers are those buyers who lives in. So, according to their customer needs, they have launched their products. So, it has become a market, virtual market, where transaction is happening, cash on delivery, or through the debit card or credit card. It exists in a physical environment as a marketplace or in a virtual environment as a marketplace. So, this is all about the concepts of marketing. So, I just hope you got the concepts of marketing, and in the next slide, I will give you some assignments, some MCQs, and I just hope you will be able to solve those assignments. Okay, so best of luck. In next class, I will cover the environment and the buying behavior. Okay.